In this video, I will show you how to effectively use ChatGPT to paraphrase complex text for various audiences. First, I head to the message bar and type in a detailed instruction to establish ChatGPT's role as a professional paraphrasing assistant. I want to make sure the AI understands that it needs to maintain the original meaning while creating something that sounds natural and fresh. Once the AI confirms it's ready, I provide the specific paragraph I want to work with, which discusses the benefits of a regular sleep schedule. I am asking for a version that is clear and uses natural language without just swapping out individual words. As the response generates, we see a concise summary explaining that people with steady sleep habits experience better cognitive function and higher life satisfaction. This version is much easier to digest while keeping all the important data from the original scientific study intact. Now, I want to take it a step further by asking the AI to rewrite that same information for 3 very different groups of people. I am requesting versions for a general audience, a professional office setting, and a high school student group to see how the tone shifts. ChatGPT quickly produces 3 tailored results. The first is simple and conversational for everyday readers, the second is formal and credible for a workplace, and the third is relatable and easy to understand for students. Each version captures the core message about the importance of 9 hours of sleep but uses a vocabulary and structure that resonates with each specific demographic. By using these targeted prompts, I can ensure my message is always clear and appropriate for whoever is reading it. This process saves a lot of time and helps me refine my communication style for any project. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.